look at this. That's right. It's an old pull the rope elevator. Check it out. All right. Well, this is very, very cool. Awesome. All right. Here we go. And here we get to the top. We're gonna automatically stop here. Yep, we will. This will be automatic. Cool. And as you can see, this used to be a device for gripping the rope, but it doesn't do that anymore. This is just, I believe, to balance the two ropes out, I think. I'm not 100% sure on that. Oh, look, there's a light switch. Doesn't seem to really do much. We'll leave it off because that's how it was. All right, let's go back down. So pull this down. Oh, and apparently you pull this down, stop. Oh, you do, I see. And then you pull this down to go again. I see, so this is like an emergency stop. I see, I see. Here we come to the first floor. And then down to the spooky basement. Creepy. Wow. That's scary. All right, anyway. Back up. Look, you can actually close the door to prevent people from calling the elevator, because this little door here opens up and allows people to reach this rope from the outside in order to call the elevator up to them, and then you can close the door if you don't want that happening. Anyway, we're gonna ride the elevator back down. Didn't pull all the way. There we go. Now we're gonna demonstrate the emergency stop again. Grab the rope and hold it. Whew. Anyway, pull down to go up. And this will stop. So, will be in